Hello, sons and daughters of Oduduwa. This is breaking news from Chief Olusegun Obasanjo. It was reported in the news that he was standing on his action. Which action was he talking about? The action of denigration and desecration of Yoruba tradition and culture, as he's saying. The action has been condemned far and wide, even by other lovers of Yorubas. Obasanjo also denied the public apology tendered by his wife, but he claimed that the woman only had children for him. You can see. This denial alone is a sufficient evidence to prove the type of person that Chief Olusegun Obasanjo is. And I have no apology to say that Chief Olusegun Obasanjo is a frog on the throat of Yoruba nation. Baba Yabo also lied that he insulted and assaulted the Yoruba Obas, as saying, to defend Governor Seyi Makinde. Why? When has he been appointed as a bully boy by Seyi Makinde? Is Seyi Makinde a kid? Or when has Chief Olusegun Obasanjo become the Oyo State Chief Correctional Officer to whip the traditional rulers to lie? This is intolerable, and it should not be tolerated by true Yorubas. I have to make a passionate appeal to Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò of Yoruba land, Ìbà Gani Adams. Lóògùn ọ̀fẹ́ o, and all Yoruba nationalist advocates to stand up to mount strong prayers on Chief Olusegun Obasanjo to tender unreserved apologies to Yoruba nation, because he has laid a bad precedent, and we should not allow that bad precedent to stand. Why? Obasanjo has always been a thorn in the flesh of Yoruba. He did it to late Benjamin Adekunle, the Black Scorpion, to claim the glory of the Biafran, war. He did it to Lieutenant Colonel then J.J. Oluleye. He did it to Chief Obafemi Awolowo. He did it to Chief MKO Abiola. He did it to the entire Yoruba race on many occasions. He did it to Bola Tinubu, and he's still doing it to Bola Tinubu. Why? Why should we keep mum on this? Yoruba society is democratic. There is doctrine of checks and balances. And we should use power to check Chief Obasanjo's abuse of power in Yoruba land. I am yours truly in Odudua House. Comrade AbdulRahoof Bello, Omo Labe tí kò dàpọ̀ mọ́ koríko odò tó kù. I remain Omo Olómù Àpẹ̀rán, Omo Ọlọ́mọrọ̀ Agogo. Thank you very much and God bless Yoruba race.